at the bottom of my cup. I hate the taste, but I'm sick. You heat it and I hold it mostly just to warm my hands. I'm more of a hot cocoa kid. You could never swallow pills when you were young, but now you seem to have no problem. Tea leaves sit at the bottom of my cup. You ask me jelly, jam, or butter. You're busy in the other room doing who knows what. Bread burns but you make another. Smoke from the toast is a breath of fresh air. Teardrops sit at the bottom of my cup. Why does everyone place faith in the future? Looking for umbrellas for